You may not need to replace any parts to fix that problem. Make sure you send to the end and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger, and if you have check engine light and code P0020, which means camshaft position actuator B bank 2, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that, how to fix it. There are some things that most people will never think about, so make sure to stay until the end. In some cases you don't need to replace any parts to fix that problem, so all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So if you have code P0020, what could that indicate? You may have, guys, okay, problems with camshaft position actuator A bank 2, guys. So camshaft position actuator A bank 2. If you look at the engine, facing the engine on your Dodge Charger, if you want to see how to replace it, that's the actuator here. It will be step-by-step video on our channel, but if you look here, this is cylinder head number 1, bank 1, this is cylinder head number 2, this is bank 2, guys. And one common mistake people make when they remove them, you almost always need to replace that gasket because it will be flattened or hard, and that can cause oil leaks. But common things that can cause that code: disconnected wire, we've seen that quite often, wire that's not pushed all the way in, connector that's dirty, contaminated with engine oil, dust, dirt or water after rewashing the engine. Sometimes I would say 9 out of 10 times people will just grab for the wires to disconnect it. They'll press down here and pull for the wires, and that can pull them out of the pins. So that could be your problem too. We've seen it quite often, guys. Something else that can easily trigger that code P0020 is faulty camshaft position actuator 2. We'll have a video on the channel that will explain, okay, how to test it and find out if it's good or bad. But it could be none of those. It could be, guys, problems with the camshaft, variable timing camshaft sprocket on the inside, that's on the timing chain. And it could be something even wild, guys. It could be having the wrong type of engine oil in some cases, because the viscosity is how thick the oil is, and it has very small passages through the camshafts, through the variable timing sprockets, that could be the reason why it's not working correctly. The other thing is dirty engine oil. That's quite common. Dirty oil filter, being low on engine oil. Or if that doesn't fix it, guys, I always recommend, before oil change, do leaky moly engine flush. This thing is amazing. It will clean all the little passages inside your engine. It will clean everything, and we fix so many BMWs by cleaning it with the engine flush here. They're known, you know, variable timings to start acting up on higher mileage engines. We actually tested it. Does leaky moly work? The video is on our channel on Porsche Cayenne with 190,000 miles, and when we opened the valve cover, engine looked like new after we used it. So amazing product, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you want to see anything else specifically on Dodge Charger, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem if we have time. That way we can help you, we can help other people, and we can build a community where we, guys, help each other and we save money. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.